I have the other half of the fuselage, left side framed. Have the fill pieces, the 1/8 inch balsa fill pieces in. I've wetted out this end. Did that after I got framed about to here. I have transferred the lines for the location of these braces and the plywood doubler from the print onto this frame. But with this being a left side, I can't build the doubler and the braces on the frame as it sits on the print. So I'll have to transfer the lines around to the other side. At this point, I am putting the hole through the balsa fill with a pin, and I'll transfer that through the plywood doubler. I'll drill it with the pin vise after I release this and flip it over. The last thing I have to do is wet out this back section where these curves are a little bit tighter. Then let it set and let everything dry where I've wetted it before I pull it off the board. I've razor sawed the two sides, cut this out with number 11 X-Acto, doing a final sand to depth with this sanding block. And that is the pieces done for the plywood inlay. Two braces, plywood inlay. Here you can see the marks I've transferred from the print to the frame before I put the 1/8 inch fill in. Checking the fit of all these pieces. And then when I pull this frame off the board, glue this on the other side. That will make this a left side frame. Looks like two of the same. I'm mostly concerned with this hole. So if I line up the two sides, check my location with a pin. Pretty much perfect. I can run that pin through there and the alignment is as good as I hoped for. With the braces and a plywood doubler on the inside for the rear motor peg. It is a piece of 1/4 inch aluminum tubing. So time to finish up these frames. I'm transferring the pinhole in the 1/8 inch balsa fill through the plywood doubler. And the reason I do a pinhole is it's very hard to drill a larger drill through wood without it grabbing and tearing and wandering off location. I also find if I make a crosshair on the location of the pinhole that is going to be extended beyond the hole I'm going to put in here. So this is going to be a 1/4 inch hole for the rear peg, the 1/4 inch aluminum tubing. So when I do a pinhole, I can be more accurate with it. I can always reference my crosshairs for location, and what I'll probably do is open it up with an 1/8 inch drill. I can watch the location of that 1/8 inch drill going through there with on my crosshairs, and then I'll be able to get in there with my Dremel tool and continually reference my crosshairs and open that up and have an accurate hole. There it is with the pin going through there. Got my alignment, everything accurately located. So open that hole up to where I have this same situation where I can put this rear peg, this aluminum tubing, through here with this same alignment, and I want a fairly snug fit for wear purpose and also so the peg stays in place while it's flying. Next will be building these two halves over the this top view here and putting in the cross pieces, top and bottom, keeping the sides square and building in the taper from the nose to the fattest part, and then bringing these ends together back at the tail.